The judge zeroes in on health insurance, a detail many parents overlook. In Texas, providing health insurance for your child can actually reduce your child support amount. He even shorted himself by $10 until the judge corrected the math.
Just pops up every now and then. For the past year, your daughter has been living with
Completely
you.
careless, just shows whenever she pleases.
What is she doing? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've heard here and there that...
This next one hits hard. Imagine raising your child alone for a year while the other parent vanishes like a ghost. No calls, no support. Today, a father flips the script and asks the court to put the mother on child support. But wait until you hear why she's not even here to defend herself.
It's been about 4 months.
Oh, okay. Okay, and that was the last time your daughter has seen her too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. So this what we'll do immediately. It's obvious that she gave the child to you and you are her primary caretaker now, so it wouldn't be fair to continue your...
From the jump, you can feel his frustration. For a year, he's been the one feeding, housing, and protecting his little girl. Mom shows up only when she feels like it. No plan, no stability. In court, that's not just bad parenting, it's a legal time bomb.
3 children.
Including your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I don't have any financial information in front of me for her, but what I can do is put her on child support based on what it would be around minimum.
Here's where it gets wild. Dad doesn't even know what Mom's been doing. Just whispers of a party lifestyle. The court doesn't care about your nightlife until it starts affecting your child. And in this case, her 4-month absence is about to cost her
$650, $675.
Is that for you and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many people are on that insurance?
It's just me and her.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll divide that by 2 because by law, she's only required to...
This child is only 4 years old, nearly a quarter of her life without her mom present. Judges don't ignore numbers like that. They see patterns, and patterns shape custody and support rulings.
Okay, so I'll make her child support set at minimum wage, which is around $213, plus the half of the $675. So her child support obligation will come out to $550.
The judge moves fast, stopping Dad's payments and putting Mom on the hook. That's a legal pivot called a modification, and it happens when custody shifts. The parent doing the heavy lifting gets the financial support, not the absentee one. No pay stubs, no job info, no clue where she works. In child support court, that's not a loophole. It just means the court calculates based on minimum wage.
Any children?
No.
Okay. You see her every day?
Yeah.
Do you try to discuss it with her then?
She don't want to hear it. She don't go in the kitchen to talk. That's where I expect her to be, where I can corner her, but she don't talk, so.
Buckle up. We've got a husband, a $10,000 a week allowance, and a marriage crumbling over girls' nights out. But here's the twist. He's not here for divorce. He's asking for spousal maintenance from his own wife.
Pretty much done. There's nothing happening in our relationship intimate-wise, so, I mean, I pay all the bills, 2 cars. She don't pay no gas in the car. So, you know, I need her to either get going or tell me what's really going on.
All right. You pay all the bills, you
Yes.
say. So you make more money than her?
Yes.
Do you know where she is? Have you talked to her at all?
Mr. Clark says his wife's constant nights out make him think she's cheating. No proof, no confrontation, just gut feeling and unanswered texts. But courts deal in evidence, not suspicion. Would you drag your spouse to court on a hunch?
I give her $10K a week.
$10,000 a week?
Yeah.
Man, where you work? I'm obviously in the wrong profession. Yeah, okay. So...
They live together, have no kids, and see each other daily, yet he tries to corner her in the kitchen to talk. That's not healthy communication. It's more like a marriage built on tactics, not trust.
Most likely, yes.
So you still want to go through?
Yep.
Okay. Are you just doing this because you're mad at her?
Yep.
Well, Mr. Clark, you don't just come to court and file something and...
Then comes the shocker. He pays all the bills, owns 2 cars, and still wants her to pay him. Legally, that's a dead end. Spousal maintenance is for the one who can't meet their needs, not the one bankrolling the household.
You don't want to file a lawsuit to necessarily get your spouse's attention because you're not getting the affection that you're looking for. You can threaten her with a lawsuit, or you can draft one out and show it to her, but to actually have her served, set it for a hearing, that kind of
$10,000 every single week, and she doesn't even pay for gas. Is that generosity or enabling? Either way, from the court's perspective, that allowance torpedoes his entire claim.
You do not have grounds to ask for spousal maintenance. You're the breadwinner. You just said you pay all the bills, you give her a $10,000 allowance a week. You don't qualify for spousal maintenance. You have to prove that you do not have the resources.
The judge warns him, if she had filed for spousal maintenance instead, she'd probably win. This is a massive legal reversal. By filing, he may have just handed her leverage she never even asked for.
But I also recommend that the two of you seek some sort of counseling, marital counseling. Okay?
Nah, we're beyond marital counseling.
Okay, well, if you decide to come to court and file for divorce, right?
Yes.
You can do that, but just not with the spousal maintenance part attached. I could foresee her saying,
and here's the real motive: he's mad and wants her attention. Court was his way of forcing a reaction. Judges hate this. Courtrooms aren't weapons in emotional battles, they're for disputes with actual legal merit.
I cannot give you legal advice.
Yes.
I would just caution you with doing that if you really don't have a reason to file for bankruptcy. And you definitely will want to consult a bankruptcy attorney before you do that.
Yeah, I just don't want her taking nothing from me, so she flipped the script.
Dismissal incoming. The judge points out the obvious. He's the breadwinner, he funds her lifestyle, and the law says he doesn't qualify for a dime. Was this really about winning, or just humiliating her?